So welcome back friends, and today back again with another video, and today we are going to learn few new subjects, and today we will be learning almost 5 new subjects. Okay, two will be subsidiary of those three major subjects. If I talk about the thermodynamics, then the subsidiary you can say RAC will be a subject also, which is a very small subject but very important subject. And then again same thing for the power plant. If I talk about the power plant, then you can say IC engine will be the subsidiary of that sort of. And so these are the four subjects, and the fifth subject will be heat mass transfer. So this is almost full at the thermal side. Okay, so I that's why it takes me time to make this video, because I will be covering almost 5 subjects today, and these subjects are very important, and I will be sharing some links where you can see the numericals also, means where the person will be showing you how to solve the numerical, because in early stages, when after you will complete your syllabus, but you will not be able to handle the numericals after even completing your subject. So that's why I have added those links. So let's begin. So here you can see a short intro about me. Who are new to my channel, this is a short intro about me. So you can see I have completed my bachelor's from IIT Surat in this year, and then I was working as an engineer in this company. Now I am going to pursue my master's from IIT Delhi in engineering analysis and design, and I got 2 patents. I worked with these softwares. Okay, and then I have launched products, and I got calls from these IITs as well as the IISc. Okay, so let's begin. Yes. So sorry, where is the 15? Yeah, fine. So you can say this is thermodynamics and RSC part. As I have already told, thermodynamics and RSC are, you can say, connected sort of. So these I will be covering together. So you can say the thermodynamics only having one link. You can see here, which is a basic part. Means it is a playlist. This is the name of that first video. That's why it is, you can say, TD1 basics, because the person who is Naveen sir only will teach you from the basics. So that's why it is the playlist. Again, these three are the playlist only. Okay, this RAC again will be taught by Naveen sir only. Okay, and it will be again the playlist. Then these, yeah, these are the numerical parts. Sorry. Okay, so these are the numerical parts actually, which I have covered from some other links, and this guy will be, you can say, telling you about how to tackle the problems, and you, so that you can be very comfortable with while you can say taking the numerical part of this refrigeration, because this refrigeration part is not having much of the theoretical part, but the numerical part of the refrigeration is, you can say, at the moderate side. But if you don't know how to tackle those problems, then it will be very difficult for you to, means because these numericals are very lengthy also. So so if the gate is about, whenever you see the question, just you should start writing the question, and if there, because these are the repeated questions only, but it's just, if what you should have been a plot of practice, so that just see the practice, just see the question and start solving it. There is no time to actually think much, so you have to be very, you can say, you should have practiced a lot. So there are some numerical part where you can cover from the RSC side. RSC side is specifically I have given because many people don't do the numerical part of the RSC that much. Even this is very important. Even this year also, the question was there. So it is a, you can say, important and interesting subject for IITs. Okay, that's why they used to use this subject a lot for the examination, and other examination like ISRO wise it is very important, even the BARC wise also. Okay, so here let me show you the timeline now. Okay, so this is the timeline, and you can say, actually this timeline is for the, you can say, IC engine, power plant, thermodynamics. So these three are the timelines in one only, but I will show you the thermodynamics and RSC part here. So you can see I have started thermodynamics in 22 Jan, I guess. Yes, 22 January, and completed 26 Jan 2020. Okay, why it is you can say 4 days, because it is very small because Naveen sirs make very you can say concise videos. It's not like that so much long. That's why it is taking very less time also, and it is very small subject also. It is not, thermodynamics not having a lot of chapters. Okay, so you can see the starting and ending point, and you can see the now the revision I have done. First revision is at July. Okay, 5th July, because this subject, I love this subject, thermodynamics. Even this is the favorite subject for many of the GATE aspirants, so you can say. So you can say then July, then again after 1 month, then again in November. But in December I haven't did revision from the main notes. This is for the main note. Okay, for short note and micro notes, which are I have combined them for myself. That timeline I will share after. Actually, this is for the main note revision. Okay, you should not consider that this is the overall revision. This is the revision, means this date is, means that time I will take this notebook and I will be reading that notebook, or you can say solving numericals and all. So this you can say while I was giving the GATE PYQ, then I have done the you can say numerical, then full note revision. Normal full note revision means normal full note revision. I have not done just a revision. Okay, it's just a revision, and then again this is the revision. Okay, and then the RSC part is here. RSC part is here. You can say in fifth month I have done the revision. First revision while I was giving the GATE PYQ, then the test series when I was giving, then I have used this, and then EFC PYQ, then micro notes, full note revision. You can say this full note revision means I am just doing the full note revision. Okay, now I'm not doing any numerical part, just doing the revision to refresh my concepts. Okay, so these are the dates. The last revision is in November only. Okay, not in December. Now let's say the next subject. So next subject will be power plant and IC engine. I have complete these are the, you can say, different subjects, but I have combined because you will see the all the cycles will be coming in, you can say, interconnection. You can say in the power plant question also you will be able to see auto cycle. Let's say there is a matching type of question from, then you will not be able to, you can say, discriminate between these two, whether it is a power plant question or whether it is a IC engine question. Okay, that's why I have combined it both, because these both are the depend on the cycle type, like Rankine cycle, Otto cycle, diesel cycle, Joule cycle, Brayton cycle, and okay, so there are so many, Atkinson cycle. So these all are I have combined, and these two links for the power plant and these two links for the IC engine part. And you can say this is the this is, you can say, it is a playlist. It is also a playlist. It is also a playlist. It is very small playlist, very small. This is a numerical part, because most of the time what you will see, the person who is teaching onto the YouTube, they will cover less numerical actually onto the lecture, because they wanted to cover the subject faster way, so that you will get a time to practice. Okay, that's why in these things, IC engine and all, there will be less numerical available even in the GATE PYQ and other you can say PYQs. That's why this is individually I have added. I have also, this is I think this is not the GATE link, but it is free only. Okay, and these are the all other are the YouTube link only. And this I have added equivalent evaporation, because one in it came only one time in you can say GATE PYQ, but that time while studying this chapter, means this subject from this link, I was not getting like what is the equivalent evaporation. So I have to search on YouTube, and then I find this video is very good explaining and worth to share with you. So you can say here you can see the, this is the one video only. Okay, so that you can see. So that is from the power plant and IC engine. And in power plant there are two more, you can say, new topic was there. I can steam turbine and gas turbine, so it is also covered in here also. Okay, so that is not to worry. Then again the timeline for these two subjects. So IC engine, actually you can say this is the cutout of the first page only. Okay, because IC engine was there only, and because IC engine don't have the front page blank, so that's why I have to write here only. So but here this I have added because you can see the start and end date. I have started in 16th of March, and then completed in 16th of March, because it is very small subject. IC engine is very small subject gate wise. Okay, so here you can see, then after in fifth month of 2020, I started the test series, then I have completed the revision, then the full revision. Okay, in 8 and 11, 8 in the month of 8, and then the 11th. So this is the IC engine part, and then now the PowerPoint, you can say the timeline starts in March and ends in 6th of March, because this is little bit more, there are so many lectures, and this will be taught by Shailen sir. Okay, from Divani IAS only. So start and you can see the lets, and till for gate you can say till lecture number 30, but this also it has been added, like you can say steam turbine is also added now. Okay, so you can see this also, steam turbine, and thermal power plant also you can see, because sometimes they will only ask about the efficiency and all, so you can see this, these are very small topics. Okay, so this is so you can see it has taken almost 5 to 6 years, and now this is the timeline, revision timeline. In April only I started the revision while I was giving the gate PYQ, and the next revision will be while I was giving the test series, then there will be next revision. You can see the dates, it will take now 2 days, then it is only 1 day, then while making the micro note, then I have done the full revision also. Okay, then these are the two for normal revision, and last revision was in November, even the you can say last in November, 29 and 30 November, so it's almost the same December only. Okay, so this is all two subject, IC engine and power plant. Now the last, which is heat mass transfer, and you can say there is only one link, you can say, and this is well explained, and you will be able to get all the concepts. And the other thing is the practice wise, yeah, in all the whatever I have given from lecture 1, start with the machine design, I guess the question practice will be same. Okay, gate PYQ, ESC PYQ, bits and byte, test series. So gate PYQ you can say, you should do 3 times, ESC PYQ 1 time, bits and byte you can do by 2 times, then test series it's almost you can say any two test series you can buy, that's not an issue. Okay, so this is from the heat mass transfer. Let me share the timeline also for this. So you have see, I completed I guess in April. Okay, you can say 34 2020, I think it is completed in April. And then the first revision, while I was giving the gate PYQ, then because it will be same na, if I am giving the gate PYQ for this subject, then after completing this subject I will be starting next subject, so that's why the dates will be connected only. Okay, if you will see the whole picture from past video, if you want to recheck, you can check by, you can say these will be connected only. Okay, so this is the test series, while I was giving the series, then ACP IQ, then micro nodes, full revision. So last revision was you can say 18 and 19 in December. So this all from my side with these 5 subjects. These are very beautiful and very important subjects, any you can say exam wise, and these links are very well explained. And this now the thermoparts is almost only depend on the now question practice. So as much as you practice the question, you will be able to memorize the question as well as the how to tackle this question. Okay, GATE is all about the practice only. Okay, but the important thing is the course you should complete almost the 99% course. Okay, that will be very beneficial. You should not leave any part of the GATE course, because the question can come from anywhere. If and they are very simple questions, so it's only depends on your practice and your speed. If you will practice more, you will get speed more. It's a simple thing, and the accuracy also. So thank you for watching, and that's all from my side.